Hello subscriber. Today we are discussing about the hand tool, electrical hand tool and their importance. One of a tool is a lineman plier. We have already in the last video we have discussed about the another one plus needle nose plier. So we are discussing in is a lineman plier. Before I have starting topic, please subscribe my channel to get the more videos like this. Alignment plier is a good heavy set of alignment plier will after be need again as a Kelvin makes a very good set with an optional fish trap. Pulling an arrangement on the sides of them are a very handy option for electrician. The arrangements on the side is a far and a preferable to the same of a type of option where a fish trap fits between the handle. It is a fair too easy to receive very nasty pitch with that style. Means the lineman plier is a good working on a electrical system and lineman plier is a best insulated. If you use any standard plier you will get the more efficient in this plier. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep surprise me and watch more videos like this. Thank you.